everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a product review on electric kettle. We just like it because of its versatile uses. So I thought to share a review and demo on this product because it's very useful, especially in monsoon. So we can prepare hot water or instant tea in just a matter of minutes with this electric kettle, and it has some smart features like automatic cutoff, single touch LED locking, and this beautifully designed electric kettle is a must have accessory for every modern kitchen. Okay, now I'm going to show you the review and demo of this product, so let's get into the video. And this is how the packaging looks like. The capacity of this kettle is 1.5 liters. The market price of this product is 1095 rupees, and it is always on discount in Amazon, Flipkart, and it is available in DMart also. This is how the kettle looks like, and it has some elegant design. This beautifully designed electric kettle is a must-have accessory in your kitchen. As you can see, it has an elegant handle with single touch lid locking. And the best feature of this kettle is it has automatic cutoff when water has boiled. And this feature ensures safety and power saving also, and it is very convenient to use. And we also have power base along with the kettle. This is the main part to use kettle. So this kettle can be used only with this attached power base. You must not use it with any other sets. And also make sure that the kettle is on a flat surface where the children can't touch it. So now I'm going to show you how to use this kettle in the right way. As you can see, this is the power switch. You can on and off using this power button. Now I have filled some water into the kettle, and let's see how we can use this. Place the kettle on the power base and connect to the power supply. So once you plug in, what you have to do is there is a power switch is placed on the handle. Switch on the power switch and the water will begin to heat. And also do not fill water more than the maximum level which is marked in the kettle, because if the kettle is overfilled, boiling water may spill out. And this kettle is very beneficial, especially if you have babies. We can make some instant formula milk by boiling water. And the best thing is it is portable, easy to carry anywhere. We can also keep it in our car to make some instant tea or coffee. Especially in the colder months like monsoon and winter, we often drink hot water. So it is convenient to use at that point of time. And the best feature of this product is the power will cut off automatically once the water has been boiled. As you can see, the red light is glowing at the bottom, and that indicator will switch off once the water has been boiled. There are versatile uses with this kettle. We can prepare hot water, instant tea, lemon tea, and black tea in just a matter of minutes. And we can pour the remaining water in a flask to keep them hot for a long time. So I hope you guys like this proper review and demo on this product. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.